Today wetin we get to talk about today. I think we get to yarn about today. So welcome to today's lectures and my Naija people. How are you guys doing? How is you guys doing? Yeah. And then I get to today. We've gonna talk. How are you guys? Welcome to today's episode of our lecture. I don't even know what the name. I don't even know if I have a name for this podcast yet, but yeah, it doesn't matter. We'll come up with a name, and but I would love to call it Crack House Nutritional Class, Crack House Nutritional Channel. So welcome to today's episode. My name still remains Simi Bako, and I still remain your host for now. And in today's episode, we are going to talk about a very important issue, very important topic. We are going to address the the elimination, the elimination process of our, after eating, consumption, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Like we have like four, I think: consumption, digestion, absorption, and elimination. So today we're going to talk about elimination. And the reason why I want to speak on elimination is because so many of you in Nigeria, you see, my video is always addressed to Nigerians because I'm a Nigerian, and so many of my people are suffering, going through a lot. And some of our doctors don't seem to know what the problems are and or how to solve them problems. So before I switch to Pigeon, I would love to welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time of seeing this face, if this is your first time of stopping by, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking, and do me a favor to subscribe and like. It doesn't cost you nothing, and it will help us. It will help to spread the message to the people who needs this kind of message the most. So without wasting much time, let's switch to Pigeon. How on a day waiting to happen. Like I don't tell una say I dey like to dey, before we continue, make we do small what is it called? Small commercial. We'll be right back. Good. So as we don't come back now, may we continue. Waiting have been how na day, my mama, my brother, my mama, my papa, my brothers and sisters in Nigeria. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to today's lecture. Today's lecture, we want to talk about something where they're very important, and that thing is elimination. By elimination, I mean, say we get four processes where they go on inside body. The first one is consumption. When you eat something, means say you put something inside your mouth. The second one is digestion. It means that thing don't enter inside your belly. Your belly don't produce this chloride, whatever acid we I don't speak about in the previous episode. Then the third this thing process na absorption, meaning say your blood, your blood capsules and your blood don't they pick the nutrients from the things where we say during digestion, body don't break these things down into this food stuff, into basic constituents, where we say you could break them down into small things. And then when this thing come out for your duodenum, where be like the mixing pot, a pot, it go enter your small intestine. So inside the small intestine, now all the absorption, all the extraction they happen. Now, the waste product where could remain from waiting you don't chop, it could go on, it could enter the large intestine where your microbiome, the bacteria were full inside your body, trillions of them. go try to break the fibers and the remaining stuff down. Then inside your large intestine, na im then go, the filtration, most of the filtration go take place where we say water, water will be removed from some of the waste products. Then I make, if you poop, if you have a healthy poop, you could see say your poop is just you could see say your poop um, if you have a healthy poop, you could see say your poop water no dey inside unless you dey suffer diarrhea, unless you get running belly. So now inside your large intestine, na im they could remove all those things. Okay. Now the next process could be elimination. We will be waiting we get to talk about today, because most of una, the reason why una dey sick, and believe me, i- i- if you like, you believe me, but I guarantee you now, most of your people, the reason why una dey sick na because una no dey eliminate waste product out of your body properly. Make I explain wetin I mean by that. You see say your body get so many ways where your body dey take eliminate waste product. The most important of those ways, the most important of inside your body gets organs. Remember say we get organelles, and then we get organs, and then we get organism, where be me, a whole me. Then inside me we get organs, which be like my heart, my livers, my lungs, my kidney. Then inside those organs we get organelles, which are the small, we are talking the micro levels now. Where be say we know be waiting we get to yarn today be that. Pay attention closely. So inside your body, you get very important organs inside your body, where they inside your body for the sole purpose of eliminating waste product out of your body. And one of those important organs inside your body are your kidney. Now you have the biggest one inside for your body, the biggest eliminating pathways where they your body, that is your skin. But the skin they always be like the last resort, meaning say the skin go only come into action if the kidney no do wetin they suppose do properly. If the kidneys no do job well done. So wetin we wan yarn about today be say we could begin by addressing the kidney. So many of una no dey fit remove waste product inside una body. Why? Because of una kidney. Many of una dey eat 3-4 times a day. When you wake up, you begin dey eat, but you dey poop only once a day. Or most of una go poop once every 3 days or once every 2 days, which no dey good at all. The thing be say, anytime you put food inside your mouth, that food goes through its metabolic oxidation, meaning say the food goes through inside your body, e come break am down, they come absorb am. The remaining you suppose poop, because look at it like this. If you eat something in the morning, right, that thing is pushing down on the things you ate the previous night. So the thing if you just eat for morning suppose push the ones where you eat last night out, so that space could dey for the ones where you just eat now. Now, when you come eat in the afternoon, that afternoon one suppose go push the ones where you ate in the morning out, so that space could dey for the afternoon one. So you suppose poop anytime you eat. You're supposed to have bowel movement anytime you poop, but most of una no dey poop, no dey shit, no dey pee well. Now make I explain with why una no dey poop or pee or shit well. If you eat food, okay, when it comes to food and the human chemistry, we get two sides. One of them sides they call them alkaline, the other side they call them acid, right? So now, if you they consume alkaline acid be from 1 to 7, Alkaline is from 7 to 14 and upward. Yeah. Now, number 7 is neutral, meaning say number 7 day in the middle. Now, I want make you pay close attention. Number 7 day in the middle. From 1 to 6.9 is acid. From 7.1 up is alkaline. Your blood is at 7.45 alkaline. Meaning say if your blood go drop down to the acid side, you will maybe if your blood come there higher on the alkaline side, you go buy. So no be say the alkaline side they too good or they too no. Because bleach where you dey take wash clothes is alkaline, but you know if you drink them. Some of the bad things where they inside your car battery, they alkaline. Battery is alkaline, but you know if you eat them, it will buy you, it will pay you. Understand? So you suppose your kidney where they inside your body, they work every day continuously, every second to the balance this chemistry, to the balance you, they balance your blood, keep your blood at 7.45. Meaning say your kidney they work extra hard if you they eat things where they always leave acid ash. Now, how then they take record or how them they take measure this alkalinity and acid this thing? It's by the ash, because if you eat something, anytime you eat something, when that thing goes into metabolic oxidation, when that thing don't break down inside your body absorb am. The leftover where them call ash, when them come measure am, it could either be acid base or alkaline base. But so when you they eat food, because there are foods that leaves this acid base and there are foods where could leave this alkaline base ash inside your body. So now when you they eat food where they leave this acid base ash inside your body continuously, things like fufu, they eat meat, they eat soya every night, eat shawarma, eat indomie, eat beans, rice, ripe plantain, eat things, you drink palm wine, drink beer, smoke, they take drugs and do all these things, get angry, you're always angry, you're not relaxed. These things leave acid ash inside your body. These things causes stress on your cells and your kidney. So your kidney could they work extra hard to the balance, to the filter these things out. And most of them I know they drink well. So when your kidney is trying to filter these things out, and you're still putting this thing inside your body. Don't forget, waiting acid they do, they eat stuff. Waiting acid they do, they corrode stuff. Waiting I mean by corrosion, be say rust. They rust stuff, they make things rough. Please, I'm speaking pidgin. I'm addressing my Niger people. If you don't understand pidgin, I'm very sorry, but this video is mainly for my Niger brothers and sisters. But if you also want to get some knowledge out of what I'm saying, you can also listen. If you don't understand pidgin English, ask someone to translate to you what I have been saying all this while. That being said, may we continue. So your kidney, they try every minute, every second to dey balance your body metabolism, your body pH level, your blood. You could continue to eat all these things, eat all these things, eat all these things. These things could add stress to your kidney. These things could add stress to your kidney. These things could add stress to your lymphatic system. These things could add stress to your adrenal gland, which controls the kidney. The adrenal glands control the kidney. And why these things they add stress to them? Because acid they burn stuff. Acid they burn stuff. So when this acid don't corrode this kidney, corrode it. Don't get me wrong, your body can heal itself. Your body can heal itself. But you have to remember, we Afro people, we African people, we no been they eat this the current food chart where we they use now, they consume in Africa, they call them African food, was brought to us These things, the things we are eating now, were brought to us. We were not eating these things. So we were not living that like this. We no been they eat these kind of things. We no been they eat beans and rice and yam. Dog, yam, yes, yam, we were eating yam. We were not eating meat, eating rain cows and drinking milk and eating chicken feathers, eggs, eating cheese and eating sugary and refined bleached flour and you know eating bad oils. We were not eating these things. All these things were brought to us just a little over 600 years ago. So you have to understand and ask yourself, what were we eating? Waiting we been the job before then. If you really look at us, if you look at us human beings, especially we Africans, I believe we were fruitarians, we were vegetarians, we were not eating cooked stuff. Everything we were eating because I think we understood the human anatomy. We understood how the human body they work. So everything where we been the eat before people, before our close relative, our people brought these things to us. We were basically literally eating fruits and raw vegetables, things that were alkaline forming, not acid forming. That is why if you see, so let's go to commercial. I'll be right back. Okay. How they categorize human chemistry, alkaline and acid. So most of una know they shit, know they poop well. Una know they fat. You know that thing where you sit down, do gas come out. It's very important. Very, very important. If you fat, people go laugh, go say you fat, it go smell. Yes, now so it's supposed to be. Because check am like this. When you put fuel inside your motor, you start the motor, the engine go run, go burn the fuel, the fuel go mix with air, it go burn, it go create combustion inside the engine. Something go come out for the exhaust pipe, abi. So when carbon dioxide, the carbon whatsoever, they come out for your car's exhaust pipe, you dey laugh. Nobody dey laugh, abi. Na so e suppose be, na so your body suppose be. Anytime you eat something, anytime you move, anytime you do any kind of work, your cells are rubbing against each other, generating power, creating energy, and then leaving waste product. They create waste product, waste gases, waste acid, the whatsoever residue wey needs to comot out of your body. So you suppose dey fat, you suppose dey pee, you suppose dey poop regularly. I mean like many times a day, many times in a day. You suppose dey fat, dey pass out gas, dey shit. You suppose dey shit anytime you eat. You suppose dey pee because your kidney, these things they pee are the micro this thing, the micro toxins where your lymphatic fluid don't carry from your cells. They go divide. The ones way too big go enter your poop. The ones way too small where fit pass out in form of urine go pass out in front of go pass out via your bladder in form of wetin we call urine. But most of una dey sick, they packed up with bad toxin, with gases. Most of una go waka, your belle too big. Una no dey poop, una dey eat 3, 4, 4, 5 times a day, but dey poop only once a day. And most of una, when una poop this once a day, nobody go fit enter the toilet again. Nobody go fit enter the bathroom again because you're eating dead corpse, and these dead corpse go dey rotten inside, decompose inside your body. Because look, if you want eat meat, the truth of the matter is if you really want to eat meat, you should let your meat decompose before you eat it. This fit sound crazy to some people, abi, but this not a part of science, that side of science where they negotiate issue. If you as a human being want eat meat, you suppose leave your meat to decompose, rot before you eat it, so that you could fit break them down, so that the hydrochloric acid inside your body, which is where no they too strong, like the one where they inside say a lion, say inside a cat, Those your own, the one where they inside, they too strong. So you no go fit break those food down the time where you suppose break and down. The way where lions and cats they take break their own down. So inside you, it could take a longer time. Now make if you take a meat now, you kill something now, you cook them, you eat them now. You're eating basically, it will rot inside your body. It will take time inside your body before it breaks down into this thing. So now it make most of now when you come finally they able to poop this thing out, the whole compound will smell like say the body full everywhere. Understand? So you suppose poop anytime, every time you eat, you suppose pee regularly. And your pee no suppose they clear. Your pee no suppose dey like water, like clear like water. Your pee suppose get colored. Your pee suppose dey colored because your body is filtering things out. All the palm oil, all the palm wey you dey eat, they are not clear in color. So when your pee comes out, e no suppose dey clear. Your pee no suppose dey clear. Understand? So when you eat, when you eat something, when you move, your body creates gas. This gas then gets to go somewhere out of your body. So anytime you feel like farting, lift your nyash up and fart. Make people laugh. Tell them you're healthy. You suppose poop. Anytime you eat, you suppose poop because when you poop, you leave space for the next meal where you could eat. I don't know whether wetin I yarn so make sense with una. But because your kidney don't fail, because your kidney don't dey tired, your adrenal gland don't dey tired, na im make most of una no dey fit do these things properly. Most of una no dey eliminate properly. Because you don't eat things for so many years wey don dey corrode your adrenal gland. So your adrenal gland no get enough power again to dey spark, to dey kickstart the kidney, to dey tell the kidney wetin the kidney suppose do. So your kidney begins to back up. Your kidney begins to dey block. The nephrons inside your kidney no do wetin they suppose do again. Then begin to do like dying cells inside a car battery. So instead of you peeing like 4 times a day, instead of you eliminating water, water could remain inside your body. If you touch person's skin, it could leave a mark. Instead of you to fart, the gas could remain inside your body, could they come up into your head and you could begin get headache. You could begin act stupid. Sometimes you could do things crazy. You no go know why you they do those things. You don't know say carbon dioxide bad gas full inside your head. You could eat things where no, your body could just convert them, store them inside your skin as fat. And now when your brain notice say, when your system notice say the kidney not the work again, it will activate the skins to start opening up. So your skin could begin break open. You could begin get pimples. You could begin get acne. You could begin develop boils all over your body. You could begin swell and get boils, things all over your body where get pores inside. Most of una, the main reason why una dey sick now because una no dey eliminate well. Your eliminating system or your elimination pathways no work well. I know we want keep this maybe we could just end this lecture for now. But in order for you to live a healthy life, your elimination system suppose dey kampe, suppose dey kampe at the optimal performance, suppose perform at its optimal level. Your kidney, your liver, your skin, your kidney suppose dey kampe. Now e get some leaves where you feed the drink. If you notice say you know they produce enough urine in a day, there are some leaves you can take that they will help your kidney. They will help to they clean the adrenals and they clean your nephrons so that your nephrons are small cells like filters where full inside your kidney. And then they do the filtration. So you both call them nephrons. So we get some leaves like parsley where you supposed if you make them into tea, even if you want it and raw, it will help in opening and healing those nephrons and healing the adrenals and healing your kidney for you to dey pee well. You can also dey use there's another leaf they call am stinking needle where you fit use dey eat, and you can also use cayenne pepper. Put cayenne pepper in water in the morning, lime water, put lime, we call am presukuru. Put lime in water, put cayenne pepper, turn am, drink it early in the morning. It will help to open up your this thing, your nerves, your arteries, and your whatsoever, your kidney and everything. Then you will be able to pee. Yeah, parsley, stinking needle, all these things, and then eat food. Always try to eat food where be like 80% of them food could be alkaline forming foods, and then 20% could be acid forming. So to balance the whole thing, because you need those acid forming foods too. Like you need your omega-3 fatty acid. It's called omega-3 fatty acid. So you need your protein. Protein is simple amino acid. So you need those acid forming foods too. But don't eat them too much. Like say you want sit on. If you sit on, want eat fufu day here, pepper soup day here, beer, one bottle of beer daily. All those things are very, very high in acidity. Those things are very, very acid forming. No, 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 no. Let your fufu dey here, then a bowl of vegetable or fruit full here. Then when balance and like that. When you sit down, eat, try to eat enough green vegetables, green leafy vegetables. These will help in opening up your kidneys. These could help in moving poop inside your large intestine and your small intestine. It could help to clean your intestine out so that you could fit poop. This will soften the poop. Believe me, most of the things where una people they suffer, na things where we say una fit cure am, heal am at home. You no need to go to the hospital. You just need to do very simple things. You just need to do very simple, change some things, very simple things, and you could see the kind improvement where could happen. If your person there, you know, fit move, you don't swell up. Just stop feeding that person that thing where you they feed them. Rice and beans every day. Meat, you must put meat inside soup. Or in Africa, if you serve an elderly person food and meat no day inside, hey, it's a very big insult too. Just change all those things. Don't put that meat for them. Don't put that meat. If you know fit chop without chewing on something, put mushroom. Buy brown, look for mushroom. Put mushroom in form of meat. Put mushroom. The mushroom will represent meat. You go eat the mushroom and try today. If you notice, say your kidney don't know they perform well, try to dey eat raw food. Try to eat raw food, raw vegetables, raw fruits like oranges and all those things, and raw vegetables like spinach, edikaikong, eat them raw. Try to minimize the way where the amount of time where you dey cook your food, because cooking they kill the enzymes where they inside the food. Cooking go kill everything where they inside the food. I know say some carbohydrate, some foods where some carbohydrate based foods you need to cook them. The reason why you need to cook them be say you they buy them unripe. If you allow those like beans and rice, if them they ripe, you don't need to cook them. Even rice, all you need to do is soak the rice in water. You soak the rice, soak the beans in water. After a few days it will start to sprout. You drain it and eat it raw, so that you could eat the whole enzymes where they inside your body, so that the enzymes go still be alive, go inside your body, go do what they're supposed to do inside your body. And this brings the our today's lecture to a close, Sabi. So make we not waste too much time. I'm Mimi Bako, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Stay healthy, eat healthy, like, share, and subscribe, and spread the news. If you know person where sick, where need help, my contact there under here. If you send me an email, send me a text message, tell me what in your problems be, and I will counsel you. I will tell you what thing to do. Or you can go www.darkide.com. There you go see some of my videos. If you watch some of the videos, if you have a question, you send me a message via the website or just write me an email and I could see how I could fit advise you. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Till then, we're gonna stay well. Oh, nothing that happen. Pray for our country, Niger. Pray for everybody. Yeah? Bad people. I could see you now later. Till then, I'm out.